Hi, I'm Jan from VelomobileWorld.com and we shoot here a maintenance video, so have fun. In today's video I want to show you how to put back your cassette back in the bike, how to put the rear wheel back in order you can finish your job, maintenance job on the rear side. So the first step, bring the cassette back in, and because it is such a giant cassette, it's not, there's not that much space. And then I make sure that the chain is over, like here, it's over the cassette. So I make sure that the chain is over it. I put the bushie back in, and I did not show you. So it's searching for the hole. I put still some, I did not show you, but it's better to put a little bit Vaseline over the axle before you put it in. I did not show, but you can do it. So I use very little force on the hammer. Then I have this bushie, I put it on the rear side over the axle. Then I take the rear wheel. And now I am checking. I just realized that it's very good to make sure before you put your rear wheel in that you make sure that the rear wheel well is clean. Otherwise, right now in this job with moving the rear wheel inside, outside, all kind of dirt will fall exactly on the free wheel, and that's something you want to avoid. As I show you in the video about maintenance. In the rear hub you have this bushie, and you have to check with your finger, which you don't reach that easy. Here via the rear end you come in. You can guide the bushie on the right spot. So now it's in. So I put a little bit of Loctite here, Loctite 243. I put this tool fully in. So on the other side sticks out the imbus where I can put this one on. This is like not always to find the imbus. Sometimes it's easier to just untie it, but let me see. Yeah, now I found it. So with my left finger I push the that screw to the right, and now I tied it. Now I can release my left hand. And the last bit you put again a key 19 and you tight it. So that's it. Then put back the rear derailleur. Then the next step is put the rear suspension on it. Take the rear derailleur back, and when you put in the screw, make sure that it's perfectly aligned, because you can destroy pretty easy the fillet of your rear derailleur. So this part needs to be on the top part of here. So that's important to do. Then make sure it's perfectly aligned, the screw of the derailleur and the hole of the derailleur support. And then if this goes heavy, then you're pretty sure that it's not good. And you are on the point of destroying the fillet of the rear derailleur, which is not so nice. Then put the washer back, and if this nut is already, this has this brake, this blue nylon. If that one is worn out, better change it for a new one, because if this one is coming loose, it's not funny, because you might kind of lose the rear suspension. Tight it, and that's it. This was the video of putting back your rear wheel. I hope you enjoyed the videos about the maintenance. If you have still some ideas, please let them in the comments. But before you put comments, have a look to the other videos. Maybe we uploaded your question already. Don't forget to subscribe and have fun. See you next time.